is the true story of a former employee of a grocery store that you've probably heard of, and I'm not going to make you wait for it. The grocery store is Sobeys. As for the employee, let's call her Janet. Janet sued Sobeys alleging that she was terminated without just cause and claimed that she was mistreated by the defendant. The focus of her claim is that a certain employee fabricated allegations about her behavior in the workplace and then coerced the other employees to target and gang up on her, coordinating their stories in an effort to get her fired. She alleged that the defendant failed to conduct a fair and balanced investigation and that it was undertaken with bad faith. The alleged ringleader, who is accused of having acted in concert with other employees to get Janet fired, was on the witness stand giving his side of the story. Janet had previously testified that this witness was jealous of her and wanted to take her job, so he fabricated malicious accusations to have her fired. She further testified that he collaborated with and coerced other employees to follow his lead in reporting false allegations to management. Now, this is where things get a little weird. While this witness was on the stand, Janet's lawyer did a Google search on his computer of pictures of Charles Manson, a famous convicted criminal. He and another lawyer, who was there as his co-counsel, then huddled together and laughed between themselves. Evidently, the lawyers were of the view that the witness bore some resemblance to the notorious cult leader, having coerced his followers to unalive a number of people. The Google search was done within a direct sightline of the jury box. It was witnessed by a juror who disclosed it at the first opportunity when it could be reported in a confidential way. The juror indicated he found the behavior to be very inappropriate and he wanted it brought to the judge's attention. The judge concluded there was no option but to discharge the jury. Janet was offered the opportunity to continue the trial with no jury and have the case heard by a judge alone, but she declined that offer, as was her right. In these circumstances, a mistrial was declared. I know that I left out the real name of the employee and the names of the lawyers involved in the case, but this court decision is actually publicly available, and all of that information can be found online. I've included a case citation in the description of this video and a link to the case in the comment section. If you found this content interesting, don't forget to hit that like and follow button. I'm Ryan Keeney, and thanks for watching.